Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make flan royal. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 large eggs, 2 cups of whole milk, and 1 cup of granulated sugar for the custard base. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to enhance those delicious flavors. Also, have an 8-inch round baking dish ready, along with a larger roasting pan for our water bath. Next, let's create that beautiful caramel layer. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of granulated sugar with 1/4 cup of water. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until it transforms into a gorgeous, rich amber color. Be very careful as you then pour the hot caramel directly into your 8-inch baking dish, ensuring it evenly coats the bottom surface. Now for the creamy custard. In a large bowl, whisk your 6 large eggs with 1 cup of granulated sugar until the mixture is light and well combined. Separately, gently warm 2 cups of whole milk. It should be warm, not boiling. Slowly whisk this warm milk and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into your egg mixture. Finally, strain the entire custard through a fine mesh sieve for an incredibly smooth result. With your custard ready, pour it carefully over the hardened caramel in the baking dish. Now, create a water bath by placing your baking dish into a larger roasting pan, then fill the larger pan with hot water, reaching about halfway up the sides of the flan dish. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 60 minutes. Once cooled, chill your flan for at least 4 hours before inverting it onto a serving plate. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.